Worker fun. Make sure you're riding on Carlisle's XLR tires. These all-condition radial ATV tires provide the extra traction and handling you need for work and play. Carlisle. Special tires for special purposes.
Hi everybody. Hey, I just got back from a bunch of testing up on the trails in the Paiute ATV trail system. And I was amazed at probably half of the people I run across in the trail had no idea of trail etiquette. So I just wanted to run down this just a little bit. When you run across anybody else on the trail, I don't care whether it's another ATV or a motorcyclist, a hiker, a horseback rider, or another full-size vehicle, first thing, as soon as you see them, slow down. Next, slow down, move to the right. Get as far to the right as you can safely travel at your slower speed. And if you're on a two-track, find a wide spot to where you can pull over and stop. Now, the other thing is, if you're riding properly, and this always amazes me how few people are really riding properly down the trail as far as spacing. You come to a beautiful area like the Paiute Trail System, and your whole group follows right behind each other. So the first guy gets to see the beautiful country, and everybody behind them, all they see is the dusty country. It amazes me. Drop back a little bit, get out of the dust. Your riding experience is going to be way better. Now, by dropping back out of the dust, that means when I run across you on the trail, I'm only going to see the one rider. So what you need to do is, how many people are behind you? Hold your hand up as to how many people. Are there 4 people behind you? Put 4 fingers up. 2 people? If you're the last person, put a closed fist up. And I don't mean a closed fist. I mean closed fist like this, you know. Let people know how many people they're expecting down the trail. That way they can stay slow and calm and wait and pay attention and look for that person, because there's a good chance that that second, third, or fourth rider is going to ride along looking, gawking, unaware that there's somebody on the trail. So now they know, you know, the rider here knows that to expect somebody else coming around the trail. The final thing is, I'm amazed at how many people ride along the trail with a glum look on their face. Smile. You know, a friend of mine, where we used to do a lot of filming on his farm, Live Oak Canyon Farm, used to tell his employees, if you're smiling, you're having too much fun on your ATV. Well, the same thing applies when you're out riding on some of these beautiful ATV adventures. If you ain't smiling, you ain't having enough fun. So I don't know what you're doing here. You know, I know a lot of people just get so soaked in and mesmerized by it, but you know, it affects the other people on the trail too, especially if it's a non-ATVer that you run into, to let them see that you're, you know, a happy, nice person. So that's the tips. Slow down, move to the right, hold the fingers up for the number of riders behind you, and smile.
If you don't throw mud, you eat mud. ITP Mud Tires always keep you out front, moving forward through whatever Mother Nature throws at you. Make sure you always ride on ITP Mudlight Tires. Call for a free catalog or visit us at itptires.com.